Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to have a look at the title blocks. The title blocks on the technical drawings are used to record all important information necessary for the working drawings. They contain general as well as specific information. The form and information vary from company to company. Title blocks shall be placed in the lower right-hand corner of the drawing. The right margin of the sheet is 10 mm wide. The width of the title block should be 180 mm, and we will using the same title block on all drawing formats. Most commonly used data on the title blocks are legal owner, identification number, date of issue, page number, title, person responsible, name of drawing contractor, drawing format, and similar. Title blocks may look like this, and it's up to you which design do you like. You can put the logo of your company or legal information regarding the intellectual property of your drawing. In the next video we will take a look at the item list, or in other words, bill of material. Thank you for watching and see you next one.